With just one day before their deadline to be up and running, the city has activated a brand new $11 million disinfection system at the Kailua Regional Wastewater Treatment Plant. The Department of Environmental Services says the system will use ultraviolet light instead of chemicals to purify treated wastewater before it's released into the ocean. ENV says the system is 50% more energy efficient than the previous system. In order to get the system online, ENV says the equipment had to run continuously for 2 months without any failures.
What disinfection does is it inactivates or kills microscopic bacteria and viruses that remain after those other treatment processes. And so it eliminates them before we discharge it into the environment. And that's important, of course, for the receiving water and the folks that use that water, which includes swimmers and divers, surfers, parasailers, and fishermen, and everybody else who uses the wonderful resources that we have out.
ENV says on average, the Kailua wastewater treatment plant treats about 11 million gallons of wastewater from Kailua and Kaneohe.